In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to enable missed call notification on your iPhone so you can stay on top of your communication game. Let's dive in. Step 1. Access phone notification setting. First, let's navigate to the phone notification setting. Here's how. Open the setting apps on your iPhone. Then you can scroll down and tap on notification. You can scroll down again and tap on phone. Now that we are in the right place, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Enable missed call notification. To enable missed call notification, you can follow this simple step. In the phone notification setting, ensure that the Allow Notification switch is already on. Then under Alert, you can choose your preferred alert style like No One, Banner, or Alert. Banner appear at the top of the screen and disappear automatically, while Alert require manual dismissal. That's it! You successfully enable missed call notification from your iPhone. Remember to turn off the mute button so that the notification sound works properly. The button is on the left of your device above the volume button here. Step 3. Customize missed call notification setting. This is optional. Want to further customize your missed call notification? Here are some additional settings you can adjust. For example, for the sound, you can tap on sound to choose a custom sound for missed call notification. You can also change the vibration pattern or disable it. And then we move to badge app icon here. Badge app icon, you can toggle the switch on or off to show or hide the red badge with the number of missed call on the phone app icon. You can also choose the show preview, when the notification preview should be displayed like always, when unlocked, or never. This will determine how much information is visible in the notification. Now your missed call notifications are customized to your liking. Congratulations! You already enable and customize missed call notification on your iPhone. Now you will always be aware of any calls you miss. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helpful and see you again on the next video. Have a nice day and bye!